Hello learners, today we're going to learn about reported speech. Reported speech is also called indirect speech. We often report something that has already been spoken in the past. Hence the verbs in reported speech are usually in the past tense. Read the sentences. I am going to the restaurant. He said he was going to the restaurant. Other verb forms will also change. For example, can changes to could, will to would, and shall to should. Another change is in the personal pronouns when reporting speech. Number 1. Personal pronouns in the first person I, we, me, my, mine, us, our, and ours change according to the subject of the reporting verbs. Direct speech. Ram said to Sheila, I will help you. In direct speech, Ram told Sheila that he would help her. Number 2. Personal pronouns in the second person. You, your, and yours change according to the subject of the reporting verbs. Direct speech. He said to me, you are my best friend. In direct speech, he told me that I was his friend. Number 3. Personal pronouns in the third person. He, she, it, they, him, his, her, hers, its, them, their, and theirs doesn't change. Direct speech. You said to me, he is going to meet her. In direct speech, you told me that he was going to meet her. Words showing time and place also change in reported speech. For example, now changes to then, tomorrow to the next day, and today to that day. Thank you.